I get to make a living doing what I love. I recently had a birthday party and I announced to all my friends, I want to travel around the world and get paid for it. I had no idea about ITMI and I was looking on it for some work online and it said travel director. So I said, what is that? And it said should be ITMI certified. So I went to the website. It was actually Christmas and I just decided to give a call and I got Ted and we sat and talked about myself and the training a little bit. The training was absolutely wonderful for me. It took me to the next level. I learned a lot about myself. I felt I was confident in some areas, and then in the beginning it started to feel a little bit overwhelming because I didn't know that, and I didn't know that, and I didn't know that. But this phrase they kept saying is, we want you to succeed. And they really did help us through it and see how to do it. If it's something you love, that you think you love, taking ITMI, it's going to accelerate what you need to know that much faster. It would have taken me decades to learn everything I learned in this course.